Yeah, I just had to have a little more of these mini brands. This is shopping brands. I don't think I have had these anymore. Hello everyone. I have found a few of these mini brand balls. This is the shopping brand. I haven't had these before, so I just want to dive right into it and open up these balls. So let's put that to the side and open this one. And these tear straps, they are never working. See if we can open it anyway. Wow. I don't understand why they have to be so hard to open. Okay, let's take off this little top piece here. And let's start with the big one. And I got this very big red hot, very big. I had hoped for something I could use with my girls in 1 to 6, but that is definitely too big. Let's take this one. Moon pie. It's a very cute box, but I rather want something plasticky like the red hot here. Just smaller, please. But this moon pie could actually go with my girls, so... Oh no, another box. Honey brunch of oats. Okay, that's a nice size. Actually, it looks like these moon pies are a box that is way too big together with this one. But together with the hot red here, it actually have a nice size. Okay, let's see, that was 3 of them. Then we have a plastic Warhead extra sour bag and collector's guide. Let's take this one, the last one here. Warhead's sour, super sour spray candy, and it doesn't even open. Twist off cap. And it even looks really big. Is that me, or is these really big? I actually hope they were less bigger so that I could use them for my girls, but for now they look actually too big for my girls. I'm just going to try to... Oh, did not help anything. Oh, that one worked. Let's see if this one's working then. Almost. Let's get this off and then take off this tiny rubbery piece here. I think this is one of the big ones. Another box. Golden Crisp. I actually like this one. But that's also a very big breakfast box. Let's take the next one. I think this is a big one too. Oh no! Oh, I got a double. And I only have 2 of these balls, so that's quite annoying. Chili original. Just a plastic bar. Plastic bag. No! Another Frosty. This is not, oh no, another box. Chicken wings. Okay, this is not going good for me, and that was all of that. So I have 2 sets of double, the sour, super sour warhead. I actually never tried those. I never seen this one before. Then 2 boxes of honey brunch of oat. Well, I can use that for something. A chicken wings box, Fridays chicken wings. I like the size of these. And the golden crisp, another breakfast. Then the moon pie. Then I got this really big hot, red hot. And I got some more candy and some chili. Actually, I think that's kind of weird because the chili bag is smaller than the warheads. Are they that in 1-to-1? I don't even know if they are in real life, but that looks so small compared to this one. I think the sizes of these are really bad because this is really too big for my girls. And I think these are too, as they are supposed to be some kind of spray candy, if I'm not wrong. So they're way too big for the girls, and that's just a piece of plastic with some stickers on. So that is going all in the garbage. So I got, for the price that I paid for 2 of these balls, and they're actually quite expensive, that's what I got. I got 2, 4, 5 normally cardboard boxes that I could have printed myself on my computer, and then I got these 2 small bags here that I don't even know if they're in the real size. I think they're cute. I like these plastic bags. They look more real and realistic, but for the prices of 2 balls, half of this I could have made myself. And I could have made it in the right size. So I'm not happy about these balls. So that is the things that I got, and these things that are kind of garbage because of the size. I don't even like them. Not happy about these eggs or balls. Anyway, that's all for today. Thank you for watching and happy finding.